Ever wondered what to do with your kitchen scraps or garden waste? Welcome to the world of composting, a brilliant strategy to transform organic waste into a valuable gardening resource. Imagine turning your waste into garden gold. Exciting, isn't it? So, how does composting work, you may wonder? Well, it begins with the collection of organic waste. This could be anything from your kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, eggshells, to yard waste such as grass clippings, leaves, and small branches. Next, you create a compost pile or bin. This is where the magic happens. It's essential to maintain a balance between green and brown materials in your compost pile. The green materials are rich in nitrogen and include items like vegetable scraps and coffee grounds. On the other hand, brown materials are carbon-rich and include items like dried leaves and twigs. But why do we need this balance? It's all about providing the perfect environment for our little helpers, the microbes. These microscopic organisms are the real stars of the composting process. They break down the organic matter, transforming it into a nutrient-rich compost that plants love. To keep these microbes happy and hard at work, we need to turn the compost regularly. This introduces oxygen into the pile, which is vital for their survival and effectiveness. And voila! After a few weeks or months, you have your own homemade compost ready to enrich your garden. So, not only are you reducing waste, but you're also creating a valuable resource for your garden. Now that's what I call a win-win situation. That's the magic of composting. By transforming your everyday waste into nutrient-rich soil, you're not only reducing landfill waste, but also creating a gardener's gold mine. Composting is a simple yet powerful way to boost your garden's health and productivity. So why not give it a try? Experience the satisfaction of turning waste into wonder right in your own backyard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.